What are we talking about?
We're talking about garbage disposals. What do you know about garbage disposals?
I mean, I know everything there pretty much is to know.
The time I ever think about garbage disposals is when you go into the kitchen in the middle of the night and you can't remember which switch is the garbage disposal switch and which switch is the light switch. So Home Depot sent us a Moen GX garbage disposal to install in the Merc, which are like,
oh, the garbage disposal.
cool, yeah, thanks guys.
And then we saw the garbage disposal.
You guys, describe it.
I'm taking my cabinet doors off so you can always see my garbage disposal. Old garbage disposal. New garbage disposal.
Court is so excited about the new garbage disposal. He's like Instagramming it on his real life gram.
That is a slick looking garbage disposal. It's blacked out, just like my truck. That's just stealthy looking. That is a good looking disposal. Right?
Yeah.
Like I've never just been like,
look, guys,
check out this disposal, guys. I'm at that point. People are gonna be jealous of that disposal.
So there are some really great features to the GX garbage disposal. First, it is 3/4 horsepower standard. What's the flex about? You're just like
Powerful.
acknowledging it.
Yeah. This is 140 horsepower right there.
So that means what?
It grinds it faster, it can grind more.
Yeah. So it doesn't get like overwhelmed and clogged.
Yeah.
I feel like we need a garbage disposal to translate everything that comes out of our teenagers' mouth. So there's a lot of garbage. And it just like gets overwhelming and gets so clogged. The most exciting feature.
And this seems like a small thing, but when it comes down to it, having a plug pre-installed in the disposal, I mean, just knocking it out of the park.
You would think that that would be standard.
You buy a less than stellar disposal, you have to install the cord and put like a conduit thing in there. I don't know what it's called exactly, but
you have to like wire it, right?
Yeah, you have to wire it. I actually took some of the components off my old garbage disposal so I could put them on this new one, but I don't have to because it's already perfect.
Moen, they just said, hey, let's just put the cord in there for him.
Yep.
Alright, so you want me to tell you what the holes are? This one is the main drain for it. This is the drain for the dishwasher. So, when you're installing the dishwasher, the first thing you have to do is break with a screwdriver. There's a plastic thing in here that will keep it from letting water out.
In case
if you do not have a dishwasher.
Got it.
So we have to break that.
Right.
But now I have to go find a screwdriver.
There we go. There's the little guy. Ta-da! My favorite feature is that the stopper that plugs the drain is stainless steel, not black plastic.
Is that it?
That is a big deal to me because it looks so nice. We have a lot of people that come over to the Merc. We do Merc tours all the time. So we like highlight our favorite features of the Merc.
And one of my new favorite features is Moen.
The garbage disposal. Court's like showing people underneath our sink cabinet. You can buy the Moen GX at Home Depot for as little as $98. They have an entire series depending on how much stuff you actually need to process through your disposal.
Yeah.
$100, you guys. Such a no-brainer.
Yeah.
Say, I love Home Depot.
I have the depot.
You say, I love the depot.
I like depot.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, this is the really fun part. What?
Dude, that's like just a good looking for disposal.